Hey, this is Joan of Art here at Magikland. Where's Holger? Holger is right over there. He's already excited to get in and try one of the rides. Magikland here in Silay City. What is magic in Ilonggo? There's no word for magic in Ilonggo. In Tagalog, it's Salamanca, but I haven't heard of a word magic for Magikland. The camera is not facing you, sorry. There he is. There he is. There he is. Okay, one word that you can be while in Magikland, you can be a child again. So that's binata bata. Bata is child. So when you act childish or childlike, that's binata bata. Here is the Magikland resort now, and the places to explore. All right, Holger will pay for our ticket. Do they look very welcoming? Where? Here? Diri ang ticket? Diri, ma'am. Hello, good afternoon.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Pila ang amon nga bayran?
Nang ano yung purchase na ma'am nga ticket, ma'am?
Just the normal one.
280 or 520?
What do we get for 280?
One free ride, ma'am, and unlimited show.
Unlimited show. What is the unlimited show?
The show is about the Magikland.
Magicland, okay. And what's 300?
300, ma'am, if you purchase 280 and you want all you can ride, you will upgrade your wristband.
Add 300 more. Okay. And 520, ride all you can. Sige. Huh? So what do we want? Amo lang na?
All you can eat.
How about all you can eat? Separately?
Not yet, ma'am.
When is your grand opening?
Maybe March or April.
Okay. So it's not yet fully fun. You mean to say you will increase in price if you open officially? Okay.
Siguro.
Oh, siguro.
1,000, 2,000.
Okay, so let's avail of this
So all
low
you can
price.
ride, ma'am.
I'm hungry.
Do we get all you can ride or just 280? No, just 280.
You will enjoy.
Oh, sige, itodo.
Recommended.
Whoa.
Okay, itodo sa 520. Ride all you can. Todo mo na. Okay.
1,040.
1,040. Happens to the wristband?
With their refund, ma'am.
Huh?
With their refund about that.
No refund in case of bad weather. So it's good that the weather is good. Alright.
If you lost the wristband, we don't refund.
No refund for lost wristband.
Ma'am, just
Sign.
yes, ma'am.
Alright.
That I inform you about it.
Alright, okay. Hello, thank you. So this is how we put the wristband on.
Why not left?
Okay, and Holger has his wristband. And then we tap this for our purchases. Where do we load up for our
The
purchases?
food hall, ma'am, in the orange building, and then we have it this side and then the
Alright, magic. How do I do mine? Tap here, tap here.
Can I go in
Yeah.
and out anytime?
yes, sir. Yes,
Wow.
Within the day?
yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Within the day.
Can we do it tomorrow again? Oh, where is the exit? Here. Exit. Tap the exit. Oh, it opens up. So- okay, let's do this.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Where to eat? Whoa! We're trying this ride, our first ride. I'm not very fond of rides. Yay! So let's do this.
Oh?
Sorry.
Cycle sir is within 2 minutes, okay?
2 minutes.
Okay. Clockwise and counterclockwise 360 for 2 minutes. Is sir?
What if we give up? What if I surrender?
I
Like,
vomit?
Is it okay, sir?
it's
we
okay that we
You can
vomit.
vomit. It's vomit. It's a vomit, pro-vomit zone.
Vomit in Ilonggo is suka.
Any gadget is not allowed, okay?
Oh,
Your items,
no.
sir, for the bag. We have
So-
a cabinet. You must leave.
Can you take a our photo when we do the ride?
We're not allowed,
Oh
ma'am. Sorry.
no. How about a selfie stick?
Okay,
Okay, let's do
For the
this.
safety, sir.
For safety, of course, of course.
Some people.
Okay?
Good
Any
luck
air
to
problem,
me.
any air failure is not allowed also, okay?
Can we do 30 seconds only?
2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, how do I do this? Tap. Do the. All right. Yes, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. But no more cell phones after this. Ah, that was the fastest 2 minutes that I had in my entire life riding this roller coaster. It was a roller coaster. I was screaming the whole time. I don't know if I should be afraid or not, but I don't want to do this again. But it was fun. It was fun. They said 2 minutes. And when it was over, that was a very short 2 minutes, and I'm glad that it was over. Thank you for the ride, and until our next ride. So, we've ticked out the scariest ride in this park. That's what they say, that's the scariest. So if we did that, we can do the rest of the rides. Okay, hungry now. Alright, now time to grab a grub. So this is the food hall. Right? Lions Park is nice. Right? Very nice. Alright. No, we have to load our wristband. So we pay here and load our wristband for the cashless transaction. So just how do we do that? This is my wristband and I have to tap the 500.
Remove it, ma'am.
Wait. Now we're loaded. So Lions Park is not ready yet. Try this one. Try the food hall. All right. What do we have here? Good afternoon. Okay. What's in there extra?
Pag extra siya, meron na siya atay nga dala.
Okay.
Then pag super special is meron siya atay, then may bumari siya, may utak ko siya dala.
Extra special.
Siya lang.
Right. Yay! There's my order now. Thank you. That's my bok choy. Alright. I have to pay for his order as well. And alright. So how much is left?
140 with water.
With water. Okay. Run! He's a child again. Okay, here's another ride that we could try after eating at the cafeteria. Alright. Alright. And where do I sit? Oh, this
Before mag-start yung cellphone bawal ba?
Oh, so, alright. Cellphone's not allowed. So, what do you think? How was it? It was gentle, but
It was fun.
It
I
was
think
fun.
this Magikland is for older people. It's like extreme sports. Want to
But
put in
for
my
old
blog
people.
category of extreme sports for senior citizens. This would be maybe even number one.
Where are they? I thought it was rough. I thought it was going to be rough, but it was really fun in a gentle way.
But the waiting time here is the most excruciating one.
Yeah.
Be released, you know.
To be released because this is the end of the road for this trip. Ooh, look at them. Oh, look at that. Look what happened. And then they're going to turn him down. But the waiting part to be released is like, okay, all right. Okay. Are they going to flip us out of here? Yeah, not as big and not as tall. So we can do this. We can do this. Rides for senior citizens. It's our first time to do this. So we are doing this. What is
Glasses
this
okay?
ride? Glasses, okay.
You secure, sir.
As long as they're secured, I take this seat.
No, maybe.
I have never done this ride before, and well, not sure. We're trying to film this later.
What's it
And-
called, this ride?
Sky Tower.
Sky
Sky
Tower.
Tower.
Okay, Sky Tower.
We are going into the sky.
And we're going to this Sky Tower. You can't see much of us, but you will see the up and down motion. Let's do this. Life of being a yo-yo. That was fun. We can do that at almost 50 years old. And he's 54.
Almost 60.